No doubt you've seen the activity in the last several days, actually the last couple of weeks on Supermicro. It's a stock I pumped pretty heavily until I heard that they had missed some of their filings with the SEC, and so I sold out. And then after it went down, I bought back in, and now it's down another 20% from where I was at. But I'm okay with it because I look at it and let me show you their valuation. This was the first thing this morning that I looked at, and I said, its valuation, underlying metrics, they have an A plus. Well, why do they have an A plus? Go all the way down to the bottom column, and it says price to book 2.72. What does that mean? Well, that basically means the price to the book value of all their assets and all their liabilities and everything down to the bottom line. Its price to book is 2.7 times the book value of everything that they own, okay, of their assets. How does that compare to the rest of the industry? If you go over two lines, you'll see it's at a 38% discount. Now go up and look at their price to sales, and it's 69 cents. In other words, the price of the stock relative to their revenue is 69 cents on the dollar. How does that compare to the industry? It's a 76% discount. Okay, so I'm Dell, or I'm Hewlett Packard, or maybe I'm NVIDIA, and I'm saying, do I want to get into the GPU assembly business for all this growth in data centers? Do I want to get into that business, or do I want to expand my business? Because this is a company that has, I think, 4 or 5 manufacturing facilities, some in the United States, some in Malaysia, and some in Mexico. And I Googled, and it said Supermicro shares of AI server market estimated to be around 10% in 23, but to grow to 17% in 26. So that's almost a double. That was their estimate. And they all go on to say that they are a major partner with NVIDIA. And the market value has grown from $5 billion before the launch of the ChatGPT to $60 billion. So all of a sudden, because the books were not filed right, and now I think we find that maybe they were forged or fudged, do you think they'll just close those plants down that are all geared to take Jensen's GPUs and turn them into servers and ship them out to Microsoft and Google and Amazon and Tesla? Do you think they'll just shut those down, fire all the workers, or do you think somebody will come in and buy them? I mean, price to book, they're at 36% discount. Price to sales, they're at 76% discount. What's this one up here? PEG ratio. They're at a discount of, their PEG ratio is 18 cents. So what that means is a normal company would be $1. They're at a 90% discount. Is this a buying opportunity? Are they going to file bankruptcy and the courts tie them up for 10 years trying to settle the thing? Or do you think just maybe somebody's sitting at a table with them right now and saying, we can solve this problem for you. We know how to solve your problems. Why don't you just leave? Here, we'll write you a check, and why don't you just leave? And maybe you won't go to jail. Do you think that's possible? I don't know. But I'm going to hold on to my shares. What are you going to do?